happy day. I just came home from running errands. Now I'm super starving. So I'm like, I got vegan quesadillas. Yeah, so I got some vegan cheese. Oh my God. And this is like the Jack version, you know, so it has like a little spice. Plant-based. Yes, I'm not lying. Look it. What does it say right there? Plant-based. Yes. And then we got some spinach tortillas. Huge tortillas. I already told you guys in my previous video that I don't substitute my veggies, so I have to add real spinach on it. Oh my God, it's gonna be so amazing. And then with my vegan chips, yeah. Korean barbecue, just in case. And today we're just gonna drop it natural with some live water, because I feel nature in this picture. I see greens, I like it. Okay, my peeps, I'm trying something new. I layered the whole tortilla. Very light fire, so my cheese, my vegan cheese can melt. And then after, I'm gonna put a whole layer. Ay, wait, pensé que me iba a quemar. A whole layer of spinach. Then I'm gonna close it and then it's gonna be fire. So yes, mi gente, there's a lot of difference between vegan cheese and regular cheese. I mean, when I wasn't vegan, like regular cheese was my everything. But I had to go vegan because it hurt my stomach so bad. Like I always had stomach aches. I still have stomach aches now, and I try to really like take care of the stuff I eat. But I want to show you guys what the cheese looks like, because it doesn't melt the same. And it does look a little bit different, but it's still so bomb, guys. Ay, mira que doradita. So I'm very excited. This is the final product of my meal for today, which I will drink with my life water. I can't take a bite out of my quesadilla yet because it's so hot. But cucumber, What about them chips? Korean barbecue? Vegan. No dairy. It's heaven for me. No dairy. Thank you, God. You know what? What the heck? I'm starving. Let's get burned together. Let me take a bite. I could taste the jack cheese. A little spicy, like perfect. You're gonna bye.
Have you been noticing all the beautiful dresses I've been using on my show, Lala's VIP? Well, if you would like to collaborate with me, send me an email at lala77alley@yahoo.com.